Hello guys, so it's a brand new day. Remember yesterday I told you that I was lost in the market. I wasn't joking with you guys. This was the first shop I arrived at yesterday. Now this is the bag. I was lucky enough that they kept the bag for me. A new day, can you imagine? So the market is so big that it's possible to get lost when you come to this market. So this is my tip to you. When you come here, don't leave your things behind. Don't leave your things anywhere and say, oh, when I come back I'll pick it up. It happened to me twice yesterday. First my drone bag, and then the things, a few things that I was carrying before, I dropped it somewhere. I left my drone bag to say, okay, let me ease myself and then I'll come back and pick it. Just to ease myself. By the time I went to the toilet, coming back, I didn't know where I was. I didn't know how to get there. It was, honestly, it was God. Because that drone bag, I almost, you know how much a drone cost. I literally wanted to cry. I found my drone bag, but I couldn't connect back to this place. But I'm glad that I'm here today. Don't even ask me how I found out this place, but I'm glad that I came here. I got my things, and now I don't know. I think I'm going to fly my drone here just to take a view of the market. And today is actually the market day, so yes, I think Saturday is the market day here in Kejetia market. So let me ask to be sure. Is today the market day? Every day is a market day. So apparently every day is a market day. So that's it, you guys. We have come to the end of this video. Right now I'll be going to my next location. Don't forget, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe, because I got goodies coming for you. Yesterday guys, I worked more than 5 hours. I was walking looking for this place. I stressed, but it's okay. It's all good. Okay, so I'm so sorry this video is going to be incomplete The video you're seeing right now is some footage that I was able to get from my camera. Every other interesting videos was lost with my phone. Remember, I lost my phone my phone was stolen at Kejetia. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of Kumasi Zoo, and if you have been enjoying my videos so far, 31 days of consistency, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Support in your own way, and I would appreciate it. It will go a long way. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Enjoy. Hey. Hey, hey! I'm trying to look at his face, you guys. I'm just going to turn around. Nah, couldn't get it. Let's see. Okay. Hey, hey. How are you?
You don't find me there. You don't find me. Why? This is my mom. You must send the money. You said you do what? Another ostrich. Yeah,